So hey guys, in this video we're gonna see that what the fuck is backtracking. Okay, so backtracking is nothing just an approach which is implemented by recursion. Okay, it just means that we have to explore each and every path and the path where we find the result and we return that. Okay, so let us see by an example. So here's a very famous question in backtracking, that is n queens. So let us see that question. So basically, we have to place 4 queens in this 4 plus 4 boards, okay, and such that no queens can cut each other. So let's see that how we can do it. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so let us place our first queen in the first box, and let let us mark the path. Okay, so हमने first queen place कर दी. Now we have to place the second queen. Second queen can't be placed here and here, as these are the places where this queen can cut those. Okay, so in second row, no queen can be placed here. The queen can be placed here. Okay, so हमने place कर दी. Now we have to place the third queen in the next row. Okay, तो यहाँ पे place नहीं हो सकती, यहाँ place नहीं हो सकती, यहाँ place नहीं हो सकती. Okay, and अगर इसकी बात करें तो यहाँ place नहीं हो सकती because this queen can cut this. Okay, and so it can't be placed here. So this will backtrack here, and this queen will take this position. Okay, यहाँ पे place नहीं हो सकती, यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकती, यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकती, यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकती, तो backtrack करा and next and previous queen की position change हो गई, right? And now second queen is here. Now we have to place the third queen. इधर place नहीं हो सकती third queen, इधर नहीं हो सकती and इधर नहीं हो सकती. Now third queen is placed here. Now this is the turn of fourth queen. Fourth queen can't be placed here, here, and can't be placed here. Also cannot be placed here because this queen can cut this. Okay, the fourth queen can't be placed here, so this will backtrack here, and this queen will move here. Okay, जब queen यहाँ पे आ जाएगी तब भी इसके नीचे फोर्थ क्वीन तो नहीं प्लेस. क्वीन देखो यहाँ पे तो आएगी तो ये काट देगा, है ना, तो यहाँ पे आ सकती. फिर उसके आगे जाएगी इधर भी काट देगा. ओके, तो दिस विल बैकट्रैक हियर, this will backtrack here, and this will move forward. Okay, so first queen is here now. Now second queen can't come here, here and here. The second queen can come here. Okay, second queen यहाँ पे आ गई, and now let us place the third queen. अब third queen यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकती, and यहाँ पे भी नहीं आ सकती, तो place बची ये वाली. Third queen can be placed here. Third queen is placed here. Okay, now fourth queen cannot be placed here, here, here and here. Okay, so we have a place for fourth queen, that is this. So fourth queen can be placed here, and we got a solution here. Okay, this is our solution, one of the solution. Okay, and the second solution is the mirror image of this solution. Okay, समझ गए होगा mirror image क्यों होगा, because symmetrical board है n cross n का, and mirror image is same as that, logic same होगा, implementation same होगी. Okay, so जब ये अगली बार backtrack करेगा तो ये यहाँ पे आएगा and same condition दोबारा होगी, and we got a second case there also, which is exactly the mirror of this. So take a screenshot of this image, and by which you can remember that, and let us see the implementation now. So now let us see that how it is coded. Okay, so first we write the main function and enter the size of the board. Okay, and we pass a function here passing the n, and in this function what we'll do is we mark a 0. We set 0 in all the places in the matrix, not the, okay, we'll make a 100 cross 100 matrix and replace all the zeros here. Okay, and now we'll call a n queens helper function. Okay, this is the main function we will be using here. Okay, so this is the n queens helper function. So let me tell you what is happening here. First, we are writing the base case. Base case is where the row crosses the maximum number of rows and then we print the solution. अभी यहाँ पे आऊँगा, पहले ये देखते हैं बेस केस से बात की बात होती है. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to place the queen in each and every position in the first row first, and we have to check that नीचे place कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं. Okay, so for this we start a loop here, and in the loop j is equal to 0 means हमारा 0 से n तक हमारे loop चल रहे हैं, where it is checking that if it is possible to place the queen in the 0th position in the 0th row. Here row is passed as 0. Okay, so row हमारी initially यहाँ पे 0 pass हुई है. Okay, so initially we see that if it is possible to place queen in the first row and first column. Okay, if it is possible to place, is possible function is made above. I will explain it later. Okay, and if it is possible to place the queen in the first row and first column, then we will mark that position as 1. Okay, and we will call our recursion from that point on the next row. Okay, so हमने जब place कर ली तो हम next row में देखेंगे कि अब second queen place करने की बारी है हमारी. ठीक है, and this is where we are doing backtracking. Okay, ये रिकर्जन से हमें सारी क्वींस के आंसर लाके दे देगा, एंड इफ नथिंग इज एंड इफ हमारा पॉसिबल नहीं हो पा रहा, जब हम रिटर्न करेंगे वहाँ से तो हम पहली बार ये पोजीशन को 0 कर देंगे. राइट, like the way I showed you in backtracking in the diagram. Then when we are backtracking, then when we are returning, then we mark that position from 1 to 0 ताकि हम नेक्स्ट टाइम भी आके चेक कर सकें वहाँ पे. ओके, so we while backtracking we mark that position as 0. ठीक है, पहले हमने 1 मार्क करी, जब वहाँ पे हमें पॉइंट मिला, पॉसिबल हुआ, देन हमने रिकर्जन कॉल किया. ओके, देन हम जब वापस आ रहे होंगे रिकर्जन से, जब बैक ट्रैक कर रहे होंगे, नीचे वाला पार्ट जो होता है रिकर्जन का बेसिकली बैक ट्रैक कर रहे होते हैं. ओके, तो जब हम वापस आ रहे होंगे देन हम उस पोजीशन को 0 करते हुए आएंगे, ताकि जब नेक्स्ट सोल्यूशन देख पा रहे हो तो हमें वो पोजीशन पे 1 ना दिखे, 0 दिखे. ओके, समझ गए होंगे. ओके, एंड इफ द रो इज इक्वल टू n. Okay, so the last row is n minus 1. So when the row crosses the max size of the board, then we have to print our solution. Okay, so our solution matrix is this. We have to just print the matrix where we have marked ones. Okay, मैं जरा दिखा देता हूँ कैसे चलता है. अभी रन होगा. बाय देन हम ओके पहले रन कर लेते हैं. आई एम गिविंग n is equal to 4 here. ओके, सो यू सी दैट हमारे 2 सॉल्यूशन प्रिंट हुए हैं. First is this and second is the mirror image of this. Okay, so हमें पहले यहाँ queen place कर सकते हैं. हमने 1 put कर दिया, यहाँ पे 1 mark कर दिया, then यहाँ place कर सकते हैं, यहाँ 1 mark कर दिया, यहाँ कर दिया 1 mark, यहाँ कर दिया. ठीक है, अब जब next row पे आएंगे, है ना, इसके बाद भी तो रिकर्जन चलता रहेगा ना, तो जब next row पे आएंगे तो हमारा row equal to n हो जाएगा, and that is our base case. And when we fall in our base case, then we print our matrix. So we have just printed the matrix here when the base case is reached, and we return from that, such that we return so that we can get other solutions also, which is this matrix, other matrix mirror. Okay, So now let us see that what is the helper, what is possible function here. Okay. So in the is possible function, we are passing the size of the matrix and basically size of the board. Okay, a row number and column number. Okay, this is where this row and column are that हम जहाँ जिस column and row पे present है ये वो वाला row and column है. Like you can see here, is possible. This is row and this is column. हमारा current row and column. Okay, so we'll check that. We have to basically check that अगर हमारी queen vertically है या diagonals पे है then हम place नहीं कर सकते उस जगह. Okay, so we have checked vertically from vertically above that is queen is present. So if it is not, if it is present then we return false from that. Else we check further अगर हमारी queen diagonal पे है कोई दूसरी queen, like हमने दो queens place कर ली, third queen place करने के बाद ये अगर third queen first या second के diagonals पे है then we return false. एंड अगर ये हमारा अपर लेफ्ट डायगनल है या हमारा अपर राइट डायगनल है एंड अगर इनमें से कोई कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती देन वी रिटर्न ट्रू फ्रॉम दैट. इट मीन्स दैट वी कैन प्लेस our queen there. Okay, and ये लूप तो समझ आएंगे होंगे यार. अपर लेफ्ट डायगनल मीन्स करंट पोजीशन से रो -1 एंड कॉल -1 से स्टार्ट करके ऐसे जा रहे हैं, ऐसे 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 माउस की डायरेक्शन देखो एंड इधर हम ऐसे जा रहे हैं, सीधा डायरेक्शन ऑफ माउस. ओके, एंड इट इज़ दैट सिंपल इज दैट. बस इतना ही है बैक ट्रैकिंग. So in the next coming videos, we will see another examples of this, and please subscribe and like my channel for the further upcoming videos. Bye.